Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of July, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.71. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 31.17% since we first identified NIO as a buy candidate 22 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.42% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock rests in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $5.09 would first indicate an accelerated rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 24.28% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 2.55% to 30.71%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 18.38%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 59.97% and 2.02% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.94 and $4.94. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, NIO stock price ended at $4.84 on Friday, after gaining 3.42%. The NIO stock price experienced a gain of 3.42% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of August, 2025. It rose from $4.68 to $4.84. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be intriguing to see whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.4%, with a low of $4.71 and a high of $4.87. The price has seen volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 1.63% over the last 2 weeks. However, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 8 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, bringing the total to 36 million shares bought and sold for approximately $172.78 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price is 37.22%, or $2.87 below the 52-week high, and 92.78%, or $62.15, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has been attracting significant investor interest lately. As of today, heavy search activity around the stock suggests heightened attention among retail traders. Recently reported delivery figures for July show a commitment to growth, despite the challenging conditions in the electric vehicle market due to tariff-related volatility and intense global competition. The company remains a key player as it benefits from solid demand in crucial markets like China and Japan. On the trading front, NIO experienced a significant decline this week, closing at $4.60, marking an 8.18% drop. However, just last week, the stock had surged by 8% following the successful launch of its Onvo L90 SUV, demonstrating its potential for quick recovery amid sales momentum. This roller coaster of performance underscores the volatile nature of the electric vehicle sector, where supply chain issues and interest rate pressures can have immediate impacts on stock prices. In the short term, Today's heavy interest, combined with delivery updates, could stabilize NIO's stock as investors weigh its potential in key markets. Long-term prospects will hinge on its ability to navigate the competitive landscape and address market challenges effectively. With ongoing innovation and market strategies, NIO may mitigate some short-term volatility and position itself for gradual recovery and expansion in the growing electric vehicle market. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating, accompanied by an upgrade action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO a buy rating, along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NIO a neutral rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating, paired with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell status. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected from the levels at $4.73 and $4.15. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 3.39%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots generated a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 20 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 21 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 12 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.17 and $3.90. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support. In this case, NIO finds support just below today's level at $4.17. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $3.90 and $3.69. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.16 between its high and low, or 3.4%. For the previous week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.58%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -0.3%. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.87. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $4.17. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is a sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.60, reflecting a decline of 4.9%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 5 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for NIO stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of August, we expect NIO to open lower by 3.33 cents, starting at $4.81. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.